Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this SopiGuard skin install for my Google Pixel 7 Pro. Super stoked to share the reviewing process with all of you. Now, huge shout out to SopiGuard for not just sending one, but sending two skins. Also, huge shout out to Ringke. They sent me the Live a Better Day Fusion Clear case for my 7 Pro. The blow dryer here is going to help heat up the adhesive to help the skin stick nicely to the back of my 7 Pro. The case is going to press up against the skin to help the adhering process as well. So, with that, let's get a good look at what's in the package here. So, I love the gold lettering, the black envelope here. Thank you for your purchase. Please visit SopiGuard.com for installation guide. So, when you go over to the website, check out the installation guide. And just watch everything I do in this video as well. Inside, you get a SopiGuard microcloth and a wet wipe to clean off my 7 Pro. And here we have the skins. Those are beautiful skins. White leather, black leather. That is what we are doing today. Now, I have these same skins on my Google Pixel 7. I'll probably edit in an image so you can see what that looks like because I'm using the 7 to shoot this video with. It's the first video that the Google Pixel 7 that I've used to shoot a video with, and so you can let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Two more things that I want to cover here. As far as the blow dryer, you want to move it around a lot. You don't want the heat to sit in one area. It could damage your skin and, more importantly, your smartphone. So constantly move that heat around. The other thing that I want you to notice is that I'm using this rubbery grippy pad. Find something that your phone can sit on that will help it, for the most part, stay in place. It's not perfect, but I can feel the grip in comparison to that. So let's do this. Okay, that looks really nice. I'm sure it's not perfect, but it's good enough. I'm digging it. So now we have the Panda in reverse in comparison to what I have on my Google Pixel 7, which this looks really, really nice. Love that texture, that leather texture. And I got great protection for the glass back. Blow dryer helped the skin to warm up and adhere to the back. And now we're going to the Ringke case, the Fusion Clear. Open it up down here. The ultimate experience. Over 60 million people are already using our Ringke products. and they have a lot of products. You do have some instructions on how to remove the film on the case itself. And here you have Ringke accessories, 20% off your next purchase over at Amazon. Just read the instructions and you'll be able to save 20% off all of this and more over at Amazon. I'll be leaving, like I said earlier in the video, all the information you need down in the description area. So anytime you can save money, that's a great thing, right? So here we have some tabs, these little pull tabs that are going to help with the removal of the protective film over the Ringke Fusion Clear. Very nice. We're going to put that on just like that. Now that looks great. Man, that is just bold. I am digging the color scheme here with the reverse panda look that my 7 has. The case is really grippy. You're not going to have any issues there. You just got to do your part, and that's hold on to your smartphone while sporting the Ringke Clear Fusion case. Huge cutout for the cameras there, 1, 2, 3, and a cutout here for the mic and flash. A lot of protection over the camera bar there. Sitting down on flat surface a little bit rough, you're going to be just fine. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. But yeah, I'm digging the skin, being able to see the skin with the clear case. On the front, plenty of lip at the top and at the bottom. Now on the sides, the lip is right below that slightly curved display on both sides. But you are going to have enough lip here and here to protect that display. I would suggest a film screen protector. In the past, glass screen protectors for curved displays, I've not had a good experience with those. They don't fully adhere to the display. Now, if you can find one that does and it works, please let me know down below in the comment section. But I'm sporting a Ringke film screen protector along with the Clear Fusion case here. I mean, wow. And power button. Nice. Volume rocker. Works great. As far as the wireless charging, no problem there. Let's do that with the display off, and there we go. Bam, just like that. Not completely off, but you know what I mean. Okay, so everything working great. Huge shout out to SopiGuard for giving me the opportunity to represent. Thank you so much for sending 2 different skins, both leather texture, to create the reverse panda look, and to Ringke for the Fusion Clear case to protect all of this tough, bold look. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you have anything to ask, anything, please do so. Thank you so much for your time. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.